Going to show you how to create something like this.
Myself from 2 years ago. I love what you are doing. Find a mentor and get in the right direction. Focus on the signal, not the noise.
Now, if you see this is a video of me speaking to the camera, telling myself that if I could speak to myself from 2 years ago, I'll tell myself to find a mentor, blah, 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 and all of those things. And it looks almost exactly like me. Well, I can tell you for a fact that that video was clearly or is clearly AI generated, and that's not my face, or that's my face actually, but that's not my camera, that's not my phone camera. I did not have to use my phone camera to do all of those things, and I did not say all of those words physically. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create something like this, just in case you're a content creator or you want videos like this and you don't want to stress yourself to create videos like this. All you need to do is have the right AI tool, know how to use it, know how to create your prompts, and then you'll be able to get something like this. So let's get into the business of the day. All right, so the first thing you do is to go to Google Flow, and then sign up on a free account if you've not signed in. I showed you how to sign up in my last video. So type Google Flow, or you can type Google Labs, then log into Flow. Okay, so these are the results. So here, click on Flow, and then this is the interface you're going to see. This is what it looks like. Click on New Project, and it takes you here. So what you do from here is just to come to this place where you have to type, and then type at. Type at. When you type at, you're going to see images, voices, characters, and avatars. So what you want to do, what you want to create is an avatar of yourself. So you click on avatar, and then you follow the steps to creating the avatar of yourself. So click on avatar, and then click on get started. So your face, your voice, your story. So you're going to have a QR code to scan, or the website, or a website link to type on your phone, because you need to verify your face. So what is needed is your face and your voice, and then you need to be signed into that Google account on your phone or your mobile device. So you scan this QR code, or you type the URL on your screen, that's showing on your screen. Take note, you need a desktop, you need a desktop, you need a laptop, you need a PC to be able to create something like this. However, you can still set your phone on desktop mode. If you don't have a laptop, you can set your phone on desktop mode to be able to create videos like this. When you're done scanning, you're going to follow the instructions, and then you're going to have an avatar of yourself. Now, once you're done creating an avatar of yourself, like I've just finished creating an avatar of myself, the next thing for you to do is come back here, click on add, and then tag your avatar. So your avatar is usually called me. So you can just type at me, okay, and that's your avatar. Or I can just click here and then call my avatar. The next thing for you to do is to paste your prompt. So I want my avatar to say happy Sunday to everyone here. So I already have my prompt here. I'm just going to go right ahead and paste it. Okay, so a selfie video of me talking to directly to the camera. I have my scene, I have my appearance, I have the camera style, I have the audio, I even have the dialogue that I want to use for this video. Okay, I have the expression, I have the style keywords, and all of those things. So I want to assume that before now you already know how to prompt, you already know how to use AI to prompt if you don't know how to write prompts by yourself. So this is my prompt. I'm going to go ahead and set the kind of video that I want. Okay, so I want it to use view 3 to create this video, and the aspect ratio, you can already see it looks the aspect ratio is 9:16 in this video. And then yeah, so it's going to be, let me see, okay, 9:16 aspect ratio. So let's go ahead and create this video and see what it looks like. Our video is ready, so let's see, let's play the video and see.
Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday and happy new month. I hope this new month brings you growth, opportunities, good health, and success in everything you do.
And there you go, you have your video. So the very good thing about Google Labs or Flow is that you can publish this video directly to your YouTube without having to download it, edit it, and re-upload it. So in that case, all you have to do is click on this button and then click on publish to YouTube. So I just have to connect my YouTube and then publish the video directly to my YouTube. That's all. Okay. The title of the video should be Happy Sunday. Okay. What would be a description? I'm just going to write anything. If it doesn't sit well with me, I'll delete it later. Happy Sunday. I'm just gonna say here, welcome to a new month. Okay. Category. I'll just call it. I'll just call it. I'll call it Hoto and style. I don't even know what that means, but I'm gonna set it to public. Okay. Hashtag Happy Sunday. Okay. And there we go. I'm going to upload it to YouTube. Okay, so my video has been uploaded successfully to YouTube. So I'm just going to go right ahead, open my YouTube channel, and check if I have that video available. And here on my YouTube channel, you can see the video has been published already. So let me just play it.
Everyone, happy Sunday and happy new month. I hope this new month brings you growth, opportunities, good health, and success in everything you do. Hello, everyone. Happy Sunday and happy new month.
There you go. So that's exactly how to create videos like this using Flow, using it's literally free. Everything from the beginning to the end is free. You can go all the way from Flow to you can use ChatGPT to create your prompts. You use Flow to generate your videos and then you publish it directly to YouTube. I hope you learned something, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.